Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Access files in OpenOffice. This is incredibly useful if you're transitioning away from Microsoft's ecosystem or simply need to work with Access databases without having the full Microsoft Office suite installed. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading your database. Make sure all your data is properly loaded and visible before moving forward. This initial step ensures that your database is functioning correctly and that you have all the information you need readily available for the next stages. Now, here's where things get interesting. To successfully open Microsoft Access files in OpenOffice, you'll need to set up an ODBC connection. Start by hitting your Windows key on your keyboard and typing in Administrative Tools. Once the search results appear, look for ODBC Data Source. You'll notice there are two versions available, a 32-bit and a 64-bit option. Assuming you're running a 64-bit system, which most modern computers are, go ahead and double-click on ODBC Data Source 64-bit. This tool acts as a bridge between your Access database and OpenOffice. A new window will appear on your screen. This is the ODBC Data Source Administrator, and it's where you'll configure the connection settings. Click on the System DSN tab at the top of this window. This tab allows you to create system-wide database connections. Next, click on the Add button to create a new data source. A Create New Data Source window will pop up with a list of available drivers. From this list, select Microsoft Access Driver. This driver is specifically designed to handle Access database files. Once you've selected it, click on Finish. Now you'll see a setup screen with various options. In the Database section, click on Select to browse for your Access file using the File Explorer. Navigate to where your database is stored and select it. After selecting your file, you'll need to enter a data source name in the appropriate field. This name is how OpenOffice will identify this particular database connection, so choose something descriptive that you'll recognize later. Once you've entered the name, click on OK to save these settings. With the ODBC connection now established, it's time to open your OpenOffice software. Once OpenOffice launches, look for the Database option and click on it. This will open the Database Selection wizard, which guides you through connecting to various database types. In this wizard, you'll see an option that says Connect to an existing database. Click on the radio button next to this option to select it. Right below this selection, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it and select ODBC from the available options. This tells OpenOffice that you'll be connecting through the ODBC driver you just configured. After selecting ODBC, click the Next button to proceed. From here, simply follow the on-screen steps. The wizard will prompt you to locate your file, which should now be visible through the ODBC connection you created earlier. You'll also need to set up your user authentication. Depending on your database security settings, you may need to enter a username and password, or you might be able to proceed without credentials if your database doesn't require them. Once you've completed all the authentication steps and verified your settings, click on Save and Proceed. OpenOffice will now establish the connection and open your Microsoft Access database, giving you full access to your data within the OpenOffice environment. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a Microsoft Access file in OpenOffice by creating an ODBC bridge between the two applications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.